All right, guys, this is the next day here. I was painting the deck and this happened. There was a thunderstorm warning and I neglected it, and the water got on top of the paint and created this chemical reaction on the deck, correct? So now I am stuck with a ruined deck that I'm trying to revive. So there's some spots that I'm gonna have to address here and there. So hopefully this is not a ruined deck, completely ruined. I can fix it. So let me get to work and see what I can do here. guys, this is how I'm able to finish that up. No more white streaks, very minimal white streaks remaining. There's one piece that I missed over there, one piece of wood that I missed over there, and I'm gonna go over that, all the little creases with a brush so I can get precision all over it and stuff of that nature. So that should be all done in a few here. And I started doing the lattice and the bottom part using this here, the Wagner Pro Penner 170, model number 170. That's actually great, and I'm going to showcase to you guys how that works. I'm going to leave the link of that actual tool, the painter tool, in the description below as well, so you guys can get you one if you guys are interested in getting Wagner tools. I definitely recommend you using that because it's great for deck, fences, and stuff of that nature. So let's get into it further. That's the canister over there, but I chose to bypass it. That's actually the first spray nozzle that I used. I didn't really like it because it was overspraying everywhere. So the spray nozzle that I have now is actually perfect. As you could see, I actually decided to bypass it and put it straight into the can of paint. And I've gotten far better result, better spray all across the board as far as the lattices are concerned. So let me showcase to you guys how this works. It makes a lot of noise, but it works perfect. It's a very effective tool. You could actually do sides in about 15-20 minutes, no problem whatsoever. You can get everything sprayed in, and it's great because that actually saves me quite a lot of time, and I can completely focus onto the deck in itself once I'm done.